Upgrade your outdoor cleaning routine with a solution built for power and precision. The best pressure washer cleaner delivers fast, effective results on driveways, decks, patios, and more. Expect stronger performance, deeper cleaning, and a noticeably refreshed surface every time you spray. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 pressure washer stands out as a compact but powerful cleaning machine designed for homeowners who want strong performance without the bulk. Delivering 20,000 rated PSI and 1.2 GPM, it provides enough cleaning force to tackle grimy driveways, dirty siding, weathered decks, and heavily used patio furniture. Its Pro-style 17.5-inch extendable wand and multiple quick connect nozzles, including 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and a soap applicator, make it easy to switch between high-intensity spike cleaning and broader surface washing. Despite its impressive capability, the EPX 3500 remains incredibly easy to handle. At only 19 pounds and 16.5 inches tall, it stores effortlessly in a garage shelf or small shed. The 4 quick-lock wheels with 360-degree steering provide excellent maneuverability, and the low center of gravity helps prevent tipping during use. The 25-foot nylon-braided hose offers long reach, while the 20-ounce soap tank allows you to add detergents for deeper cleaning jobs. The pump's automatic stop system helps protect the motor and saves energy when the trigger is not pressed. Number 2. Westinghouse EPX 3100 Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3100 Pressure Washer offers an excellent balance of power, portability, and user-friendly features, making it ideal for homeowners who want efficient cleaning without heavy equipment. It delivers 1900 rated PSI and 1.24 GPM, giving you enough strength to wash away stubborn dirt on patios, walkways, siding, garage floors, and outdoor furniture. The Pro-style 17.5-inch extendable steel wand includes multiple quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and a soap applicator, allowing you to adjust spray patterns for everything from precise stand removal to large area coverage. One of its biggest advantages is the compact body, measuring just 16.5 inches tall and weighing 19 pounds, which makes it incredibly easy to carry and store. The 4 quick-lock wheels with 360-degree steering ensure excellent mobility, especially when navigating around corners or tight outdoor spaces. The 25-foot nylon-braided hose keeps ample reach for cleaning larger areas without constant repositioning. The included 20-ounce soap tank lets you apply detergent when you need deeper cleaning. Number 3. MZK Fences Pressure Washer. The MZK Fences Pressure Washer is built for homeowners who want strong cleaning performance paired with versatility and convenience. With high pressure output and up to 3.0 GPM water flow, it easily removes dirt, mold, grime, and debris from driveways, decks, sidewalks, patios, cars, and outdoor structures. The 4 quick connect metal spray nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees, provide flexible cleaning options, while the foam cannon allows you to apply detergent or bleach without the chemicals passing through the pump. This makes it suitable for deeper cleaning jobs where soap and foam are essential. Maneuverability is another major benefit. With a 21-foot hose and 17-foot power cord, you get extended reach, while the 4 swivel wheels make it easy to move across different surfaces. Whether connected to a faucet or used with a bucket, this pressure washer adapts well to various cleaning environments. Storage is convenient thanks to the built-in nozzle holder, power cord hook, and compact frame. Suitable for cleaning RVs, boats, cars, fences, homes, and concrete surfaces. Number 4. MIMYTH 23-foot Pressure Washer. The MIMYTH 23-foot pressure washer delivers impressive convenience and portability, making it a strong choice for users who want cordless cleaning freedom.
Powered by a high-performance 775 motor, producing 990 psi, this washer handles common outdoor cleaning tasks, such as washing cars, patios, bikes, windows, walls, and garden tools. The included 21V 4.0 AH battery offers up to 40 minutes of runtime, giving you uninterrupted cleaning flexibility wherever you need it. One of its most versatile features is the advanced 6-in-1 nozzle, which provides multiple spray patterns: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, jet, and shower mode, allowing you to switch instantly between strong focused cleaning and gentle rinsing. The foam pot adds convenience for car washing and soap-based cleaning tasks. Its standout benefit is the 23-foot extra-long hose that enables water intake from various sources, including pools, rivers, buckets, or faucets. The weighted filter basket removes debris such as leaves before water enters the pump, extending the machine's life. With options for bottle-fed water intake and tab connection, the MIMYTH washer adapts well to travel, outdoor work, and areas without direct water access.
Number 5. Kärcher K1700 Pressure Washer. The Kärcher K1700 Pressure Washer is a dependable choice for homeowners who want trustworthy performance backed by CETA certified pressure ratings. With 1700 psi of true pressure and 1.2 GPM water flow, it provides effective cleaning for patios, driveways, siding, outdoor furniture, fencing, and vehicles. What sets this model apart is its trio of nozzles: 15 degrees, turbo, and 65 degrees soap nozzle, each designed to handle different tasks with precision. From heavy grime removal to wide-angle rinsing, you can easily adjust your cleaning approach. The on-off foot switch adds convenience by letting you power the unit without bending over, while the automatic stop system preserves motor life when the trigger is released. Its 0.5-gallon detergent tank is ideal for soap-assisted cleaning. Maneuvering the pressure washer is easy thanks to durable, never-flat wheels that roll smoothly across grass, concrete, gravel, and uneven surfaces. Built with Kärcher's focus on dependable performance, the K1700 is well-suited for regular home maintenance and delivers a cleaner, quicker washing experience for a wide variety of surfaces. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.